Hello, welcome to KSR IAS Academy. Today we shall discuss about the importance of mentorship program. So what is this mentorship program? Let me sum up like this. Mentorship program is nothing but a personal guidance from an expert faculty to fill the gaps in the UPSC preparation of an aspirant. So here this expert faculty will personally assist the aspirant so that he can clear the civil service exam in an easiest possible way. Here, the mentor, the expert faculty who is acting as a mentor will diagnose the aspirant's strengths and weaknesses, and he also chalk out a customized plan for him to study so that he can achieve his success very easily. And here, the role of the mentor will not stop at the education itself. It also continues so that he can analyze his performance by providing continuous motivation and enhance his performance. And mentor helps to choose the mentee the right resources like books, magazines, newspapers, and government publications, making them as simple as possible so that it is easy for the mentee to study and achieve the success in the UPSC examination. Here, the mentor is also mandated with the responsibility to motivate his mentee continuously so that the aspirant will be relieved from the exam stress and he can achieve the success in the examination. Here, the mentor will become all himself in order to achieve the success of his mentee and choose him and help to choose him the right approach along with the right optional. In KSR IAS Academy, we have this mentorship program, which we call it as Diksuchi. In here, Diksuchi program, we have the very important highlights. Before that, let me give you a small go through or see through regarding the mentorship program in the other institutes. They say it is a one-on-one program. Only they guide you how to study, but not the other aspects. And here, they'll not motivate you to study. They'll just ask you to study. And here, one mentor may handle many mentees. But here in the KSR IAS Academy, a mentor will be completely allotted to one student. And here the mentor is responsible for the success of that student, either his marks in the test series or his performance in the classroom program, and along with other areas also. Here we shall look into the important aspects of these areas. Here, this mentor is always available to the mentee, and he'll assess, evaluate, and chart the next milestone of UPSC civil service examination journey. So completely here, mentor will be everything to the mentee, and he'll be supporting, suggesting, and also guiding the mentee in order to achieve the success. It is an exclusive one-on-one program so that one mentor may focus upon the one mentee only, and charting the plan which is suitable to the aspirant according to his mental and physical capabilities, so that to reduce the exam stress upon him and he can achieve the success very easily. Here, he helps you to choose the right material from the vast tons of or ocean of information which we are living in. Here, see, here he'll also provide the customized time plan along with the resources will be made simple if it is necessary for the mentee's success. And answer writing skills, enhancement, and presentation will be also handling by the mentor. He helps in the interview stage so that his performance will be better. Personal counseling and revising the previous year's data, analyzing the exam trends along with the mentee, discussion sessions will be very common. And last but not the least, here the motivation sessions of the mentor to his mentee plays a very important role, which helps him to handle the examination stress and to relieve him from the exam phobia. As we discussed earlier, most of the aspirants will fail in the exam despite working hard because they fail to handle the examination stress. And now this mentorship program will help them in this area so that they can handle the examination stress along with the educational stress and time management skills, motivation, etc., so that they can achieve the success in the earliest possible attempt. Thank you. All the best. All the best for your preparation. God bless you. Have a good day.